Welcome to Tuesday Crafternoon. My name is Katie and I am a reference librarian here at the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library. And today we're going to be having lots of fun making a confetti tray. Now you're going to need the following supplies. You're going to need a wood tray. You're going to need some Mod Podge. If you've never used this, it's essentially glue that's been watered down. You're going to need some confetti and an optional decoration, also glitter. You're going to need a way to spread your Mod Podge. I like to use a big paintbrush. And then the secret supply is Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. So this is what's going to solidify our confetti on our tray. Let's get started. So start by applying a generous layer of just traditional regular Mod Podge to your wooden tray surface, and this is going to keep the confetti more or less in place as we move on to the next step. A little bit more for good measure, and make sure you get all the corners really well. All right. Now we're going to add in our confetti. So this is the fun part. So fill up your tray. And I am also, like I said, going to add a little bit of glitter. I got this confetti at a party store. And it was pretty cheap. You could use kind of whatever you had on hand. So once the tray is full of confetti, we're going to use our hands, so you may get a little sticky, to kind of push it down like you see me doing now. And if it's not sticking to anything, you might have poured in too much, like I just did. There we go. And of course, we need some glitter. I am going to use this kind of bluish glitter. You do not have to use glitter if you don't want to. But, you know, glitter never hurt anybody. And then just mix again. All right, so now we are going to open our secret weapon, and that is our Mod Podge Dimensional Glue. You can find these at craft stores, and it helps when you open it ahead of time. So we're going to take our Mod Podge glue and slowly fill up the tray. Now resist the urge to shake this before doing so, because we don't want there to be any air bubbles. Now depending on the size of your tray, you may need more than one bottle. And what we're going to do is just cover this entire thing and let it rest for 24 hours. That's how long it's going to take to cure. Don't worry if the glue, mine kind of is coming out a little cloudy, or if it looks like it's changing the color of the confetti. It's going to dry clear and it's going to be thick. You may need to poke some of them down if you've got confetti like mine. All right, so I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to let this cure for 24 hours, and then we'll see what this looks like in a couple of days. Hi everyone, welcome back. So check out this beautiful confetti glitter tray that has officially finished curing. It's all dry. It's just solid and so pretty. And so if you wanted to, at this point, if you're following along, you could, maybe paint the edges of your tray. I don't think we have to. This is pretty enough on its own. So thank you for joining me for Tuesday Crafternoon. I hope you had a great time, and I hope you have some beautiful confetti trays. Thanks.